Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So for today, I'll be unboxing this Mi Smart Clock from Xiaomi. I actually have the Echo Dot 3rd Gen, but I asked my sister to get me this one so that I can try kasi mas okay siya kasi meron siyang screen as compared to the Echo Dot na speaker lang siya pero smart device din. So, I'll be showing you guys what's inside and how it works. Let us see kung mas okay nga ba siya kaysa sa Echo Dot. The price of this device, I think it's 1,999 and it's available online through Shopee, Lazada. But my sister got it in the Mi store. So, let's open the box and see what's inside. So, the actual device, let's set it aside muna. And the instruction manual. So, I believe ito na lang yung next na kasama niya. Yung charging cable or yung charger mismo ng device. So, yung material ng device is actually nice. Matte yung feels ng body. Mura siya pero hindi siya cheap looking in person. So, ito siya. And then, what we have here is yung volume button tapos yung ang mute ng mic. So, let's try opening it and set up natin. So, mali pala yung na-download ko na app. It should be Google Home, not the Mi Home. So, din-download ko na siya ngayon. Google Home. So, it's currently looking for the device. So, yung size niya, sakto lang naman siya. Hindi siya sobrang liit, hindi rin siya sobrang laki. So, perfect lang yung niya, size. And then, when setting it up, it should have the same code. So, the app is asking kung saan ko ilalagay and I'm going to put it sa living room. Or since ipapalit ko siya dun sa Echo Dot ko, lalagay ko na lang siya sa work desk ko. So I'll choose office. Tapos we'll connect it to the Wi-Fi. So kaya pala ang tagal niya kanina kasi it should be connected sa same network, which is yung same Wi-Fi sa phone. Kaya pala ang tagal niya. So, currently, it's updating. So, let's finish setting this up. So you can actually sync your Spotify in this device, so I'm going to link it up. So I'm done setting this up. So ito yung face clock niya. I think napapalitan siya. You can actually set an alarm. And then this is the current weather. Tapos nilink ko yung Spotify ko, so I can actually access it here. Try natin yung iba-ibang face watch. We have here yung kanina, yung default, which is playground, weather, clouds, retro, eclipse, contemporary, prime, timeless, modernist, mono, and featured photo. So pwede ka maglagay ng wallpaper dito, and then your pictures will appear. Ito yung Google Photos, but I'm not going to use it kasi ayoko lang. Siguro I'll probably use yung Eclipse. So kaya pala siya medyo madilim kanina, na-adjust yung ano niya, resolution, or na-adjust yung light niya. So naka-dim pala siya kanina kaya medyo malabo. So ito siya ngayon. So let's try the speaker naman.
Playing on Spotify.
So I tried playing the song. Try natin yung volume kung malakas ba siya. Currently, naka-max yung volume niya. Hey Google, play Hands Up by Chris Brown.
Hands Up by Chris Brown. Sure. Playing on Spotify.
So, after kong na-set up yung clock, I must say na maganda naman siya and worth it siya for its price. So, the only challenge that I have for this device is yung pag-sync ng calendar ko. Yung usual na calendars ko kasi nilalagay ko siya sa iCloud account ko. And nag-try naman ako mag-sync sa Google. Titignan ko pa this coming days kung sisync siya dito. Pero yung mga reminders ko is nakasync na dito sa device na to. So, if you guys are planning to get this one, worth it naman siya for its price, and i-recommend ko siya. Kasi sobrang nice niya and useful niya. Lalo na pagka techie kayo. Sobrang useful niya. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't seen my previous video, yung mga pag-unbox ko or yung ibang projects na ginagawa ko dito sa bahay, I'll put the link dito somewhere, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.